Hello, everyone. My name is Gilberto. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Smartex AI, and I'm very happy and glad to share my experience of developing a product in the textile industry with my friends and colleagues, cleansing fibers in Hong Kong that were so helpful with our company from the day one. But first of all, let me quickly introduce what Smartex does. So Smartex was born because of the big problem of defective production in textiles, especially in circular knitting machines, which is where the majority of the defects are produced. And there is no source of visual inspection during the production of textiles in these machines because it's so complicated. The machine is rotating and the roll is being formed down there. So this affects gross margins of companies, the environment, and also the retail prices because the companies typically increase the product price considering, of course, the scrap and the waste that they have. So, believe it or not, nowadays the main solution is to have inspection people in front of inspection machines all day and all night, looking to fabrics and trying to spot defects with their own eyes. So at Smartex, we figured out an idea of having a system of cameras and computer vision and machine learning directly inside the circular knitting machine. So this was the idea that we started developing with our colleagues at Lensing in Hong Kong. We are from Europe, but in 2019 we moved to Hong Kong and Shenzhen to develop our product. So this is in a nutshell the developments during March, April, May, and June with Hong Kong Technology Center from Lensing. And we were living in Shenzhen and going every month to Hong Kong to Lensing to develop and to test the new version of the product. So as you can see, we started with a very simple version, just a prototype, like a proof of concept, not even that. And we ended up the year with a functional product that is now ready to the market, and we are now already commercializing it. And none of these would be possible without the help of Lensing and Lensing people. So we first met, I believe, in February 2019, and we used lensing facilities to receive lots of companies like Li and Fung Group, PVH, and many other partners and friends, and eventually a more closer relationships that we have with these companies that I'm mentioning in here. We also used lensing facilities to demonstrations, to improve our products, and also to present our company and our project to many other groups. This was a typical day in Hong Kong. So we were building the product and improving it in our hotel room when we were in Hong Kong for a few days. We were carrying on fabrics from one side to another in Hong Kong streets, and we were of course, using lensing machinery to develop our devices. And none of this would be possible without this amazing team. It was definitely a group effort, and all of them gave insights and experience for many things that we decided during our journey. So we are very thankful to all of these guys, and some of them are missing in here. And this is the last version, the commercial version that we came up with by the end of 2019. And this is also a video that was taken inside one of the lensing machines, which is a Terhot circular knitting machine, which we are using to sell our devices. So just for you to have an idea about the impact that our product creates, we can create a role map with all the coordinates of the effects. We can get insights about the productivity, the efficiency of each machine, the roll efficiency, the percentage of defective production. In our case studies, in our first clients, we are saving around $1,000 per month per machine, and of course a huge environmental savings in terms of water savings, energy, and CO2. Those numbers that you see over there are just for one machine in 1 month, one circular knitting machine. An average textile factory owns hundreds of circular knitting machines, so the huge impacts environmentally and financially, of course. And right now our team is over 20 people, in mainly the engineering part. We are very proud to develop this product with Lensing and Lensing team. We attracted more than $5 million in investment from some of the main investors in the world, and we are operating in 3 countries: US, Portugal, and China, with more than 6 patents already accepted. So we are very glad that we had the help of our friends at Lensing. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Take care.